Hey everybody, welcome to Oak Hollow Garage. So I just wanted to do a quick video today to talk about how important it is to pay attention to detail when you're building one of these cars. So I did a video a while back where I filmed putting together the front coilover shocks. I did not include a video of the rears. These are the rears. When I put them together, it just didn't seem quite right to me. And see if you guys can notice a little difference here. Let me go ahead and put these springs where they're exactly the same on the bottom. And can you tell it's about, this one is about 1/4 inch too long. So I took them apart and they were in fact two separate lengths, but they were both the same rating. They were both 350 pound springs. So I took a picture and I contacted Factory 5, and I think it took about a month. They quickly replied and said, oh yeah, it must have been a defect, we'll send you new ones. So I got the new ones, so they came just yesterday, so here they are. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna bust these apart and just for the hell of it, see which one was the right one. But I'm not gonna use either one of these two, I don't think. And we'll just replace it with these. I'm probably gonna not show you on camera how I'm taking these apart because you've already seen it in another video that I will link up here. But just for the hell of it, I wanted to see the difference in the springs to see which one was wrong. Is it the taller one or the shorter one? I think it's the taller one. That's my guess. So what do you think? Hit me up in the comments below and we'll find out together here in just a second. Here's the two that I received. Obviously you can see this one is taller. And my guess was the taller one is the bad one. So let's open up the new ones from Factory 5 and look at that. It is actually just slightly taller than this one. And let's try this one. Alright, so those two seem to be pretty perfectly spot on. And these both just seem a little bit, one's too short a little bit, one's too tall. So we're gonna go ahead and put these both on, and I did double check, they are the 350 pound springs. So we're gonna put these both on. Now the shocks mount like this on the front, but on the rear you mount them this way. So part of that attention to detail is I'm going to go ahead and put these springs on so that the writing is up when you're looking at the springs. Not that anybody's necessarily going to look at them, but that's what I'm going to do. And that's pretty much it. That's the end of the video today. I just wanted to show you guys I got the new springs replacements from Factory 5. They didn't bat an eye. They just said, yep, one of those is messed up. We'll send you two new ones, which is great customer service. I mean, it took a while, but everything's taken a while. I still have a bunch of back-ordered parts. I've been getting some trickled in. I still don't have my front upper control arms, so once I get those, we'll finish with the front, and we'll move on to the rear, and it's gonna be fun. So I hope you guys stick around. Please, like, comment, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, all that business. And thanks for coming with me on this journey. We'll catch you guys next time.